adventure amigos. After a beautiful 3.5 months at this wonderful complex, we're moving out, so we figure we give you a quick tour before we do that. But before we give you the tour, we're going to have some tacos and walk down to the beach. Let's check out Alta Birria Tacos.
Good morning, friends. We are at Alta Birria Tacos this morning, and this taco stands right next to our apartment, and it's been our absolute favorite, especially the birria taco dorado, which is crispy shell. You can put many different toppings on. I always just go for cabbage and lime, except I lost my lime this time. And then you get a cup of consomme, and my favorite thing is dip it. So delicious. Could eat this daily.
The consomme birria.
Welcome. Tacos Malta, amigos.
Perfecto.
Yeah. Tacos Malta, alias el patrón. ¿Verdad? Aquí con el patrón. Tiene foto ahí.
Perfecto. Muchas gracias. Very good. Thank you.
our first jet ski ride. I'm still shaking, but it was so much fun. Oh, anyway, we were only out there for like 5 minutes because we didn't want to pay for half an hour because you know me, we don't like the adrenaline, but oh my gosh, it was so fun. I'm still shaking. Chuck, what do you think?
It was a pile of fun. I could definitely do that for a while. Anyways, hope you really enjoyed Jessica's reaction on that.
Puertarena complex in Riviera, Nayarit. We've been here 3.5 months. We love it. We recommend anybody to come and stay. Such a beautiful, beautiful community. Come and have a look with me. Hello friends, welcome to our place that we've been staying at for the past 3.5 months. It's a very beautiful 2-bedroom apartment, and we have some laundry, which Chuck made very good use of while he was here. We have the second bathroom. Nice closet space, and our spare room for no guests. Or for the guests we didn't have, I guess. And if you walk through, we have this lovely patio door that opens up to the patio and lets the outside come in. We have the kitchen, full-size kitchen, no oven, but that's what we got this for. And if you come through the living room, these open right up. Step out onto the patio for a view of the pool. And last but not least, the master bedroom. And then this is the master bathroom. Lovely glass doors, all very modern. We've loved it here. I'm a little sad to leave. Thank you for touring our place.